Hey darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose Diniz De Moura. If it's your first time here joining us today, please do make yourself feel at home. Click that subscribe button below so you do become a part of this squad. Hit that notification bell as well so you do get notified every time I upload a new video. Well, if you're a returning subscriber, you know that regular schmegular kind of vibes. Welcome home, darling. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So for today's sinking funds video, we will be stuffing our envelopes with our paycheck 8, which is August 2021. We didn't do a cash envelope stuffing for July 2021 because we did have a wedding the past weekend, which was the 27th and the 26th, the Friday and the Saturday. We did have a wedding. My sister did get married, and we unfortunately couldn't stuff the envelopes because we decided that if we do not stuff the envelopes for July, we would use that sinking funds and savings for the trip. So we added that to the trip, and also funds that we already had available for the wedding. Okay, let's get straight into this video. Our savings, primarily I do first because I want to get the sinking funds later. So for our savings, I am stuffing all the envelopes, and I will also just try and have the detailed explained sinking funds and savings video up for you guys on the 8th of September, which is next week, Wednesday. Okay, so let's start. So for Dennis is getting $170, so I'll take $100, 150 and 120. Okay, so the 170 I'll put into his envelope. Okay, my envelope is getting 250, so I'll take 200, and then I'll just take 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sorry guys, I see I'm not in frame. I am working. Actually, I'm planning to order myself a mount that would easily be, that would help me film this kind of videos very easily. So then we have Shelton. For Shelton's envelope, we will be stuffing 100, so I will just give him $250. Okay. Dwight is getting $80, so I'll give him $10 and 150. Okay, Daniel is getting $70. I'll give him a 50 and a 20. And then for the 52 weeks savings challenge, I was getting $300, so I'll take 200 and 100, and I'll put it in. And now we're gonna go over to our sinking funds. We're still stuffing our anniversary envelope because we just want to have some cash for our anniversary next year. Oh, I'm so sorry, my phone. Let Let me just put that on silent. So for anniversary, we are stuffing $100 today. So 250s. Okay, emergencies. Emergencies is getting $300. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That is 100. Then we're getting, this is 150. So it's 250 with the $50. That makes it $300. I'm stuffing emergencies with 300 because I will use my emergencies up until the end of the year. I'll be using my emergencies for like our medical aid co-payments. When we go to the pharmacy, I'll use this money for that and any other emergency. I have decided that I need to add one more category to my sinking funds, and that will be medical, just so that we can use that money for like upfront payments at the pharmacy or at the doctors, you know. So for home remodel, we are stuffing 150. So 220s, 110, and 250s. I can't wait to start with my home remodel. For back to school, we're stuffing nothing. Okay, so back to school, we're not stuffing this time around. And then for family time, we'll be stuffing $80. It's $150, $120, and $110. So that will go into our family time envelope. Okay, YouTube, we're also not stuffing this time around. I am going to use the money for this YouTube cash stuff to buy the prize for the 1000 subscribers giveaway challenge. So I will, you guys, by the way, you can still comment on this video what your act of random kindness was for the day, or last week, or this week. You can still comment on it, and that's how you enter the giveaway. So I will not be stuffing this because I am due to make the payment for the prize that I'm buying for the winners. Okay, so for clothing, we will be stuffing 150. Okay, so we'll stuff $250 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 $10. Okay, I did lay-by clothes for myself, so I'll use the money from this envelope to just buy out those lay-bys at the end of October. So I'll continue stuffing it, and then I'll just buy it out at the end of October. And then giving, will be receiving a $50, which is just these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is these $5, $10 that are left. I'll just put them into giving. And so that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so very much for watching up until the end of the video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please, 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 to make yourself feel at home, click that subscribe button below so you do become a part of this squad. Hit that notification bell as well so you do get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in my next one. Bye.